Tell her yourself.
Bonnie. Elena. Elena, I'm so sorry.
Did that hurt yourself?
It's okay. It's okay. I just need to see for myself. There wasn't enough time for me to tell you. It's okay. Seriously, David explained it all.
Look. Klaus had to think she was dead. Your reaction had to be real.
I understand why you did what you did. Klaus was fooled, and Bonnie's alive.
Here's to duplicity.
Let's get one thing straight, Damon. Bonnie will not die for me. I will not let that happen.
We need to kill Klaus, Elena. Real Klaus. Who will probably be coming to pay you a visit soon now that he knows that Bonnie's dead. She's the only one who can do it.
We'll find another way.
She just doesn't like the remote control.
So.